Welcome to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest automotive trends, and detailed insights into the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Mercedes Brabus G800, a true powerhouse that blends rugged off-road capability with extreme luxury and high-performance engineering. The 2025 Mercedes Brabus G800 is a modified version of the Mercedes-AMG G63, crafted by the renowned German tuning company Brabus. Under the hood, it boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that has been enhanced to deliver a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This allows the SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, an impressive feat for a vehicle of this size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to 240 km/h, ensuring a thrilling driving experience while maintaining stability and control. The exterior of the Brabus G800 is a statement of power and exclusivity. It features a wide-body kit with aggressive fender flares, a carbon fiber hood, a redesigned front grille, and LED roof lights, giving it a more intimidating and sporty stance. The 23-inch forged Brabus monoblock wheels wrapped in high-performance tires enhance both aesthetics and handling. The custom Brabus front and rear bumpers, along with a stainless steel exhaust system with carbon fiber tips, add to the SUV's commanding presence. Step inside the Brabus G800, and you are greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury and cutting-edge technology. The interior is fully customizable with premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and illuminated Brabus logos. The seats are ergonomically designed with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort on long journeys. The advanced infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, while the Burmester surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Ambient lighting with multiple color options enhances the cabin's sophisticated appeal. When it comes to performance, the Brabus G800 is equipped with an adaptive suspension system that provides a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The high-performance braking system ensures precise stopping power, while the reinforced chassis and off-road capabilities make it a beast on any terrain. The 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system contribute to seamless power delivery and exceptional handling. Safety is also a priority in the Brabus G800. It comes with a range of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies enhance safety and convenience, making it easier to maneuver this high-performance SUV in urban and off-road conditions. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes Brabus G800 is an engineering marvel that combines brute power with unmatched luxury. It is designed for those who demand exclusivity, performance, and a command